Hello everyone and welcome to Ask Cred Knowledge Series. This is Aarti Khanna, founder and CEO AskCred.ai, India's first AI-based credit helpline. Today in this series, we discuss one of the most common questions floating in the minds of home seekers. Is it the right time to buy a house with a home loan? So let's discuss. In my opinion, buying a house is a very specific need and also the most important and expensive financial decision that one makes in their lifetime. I will say that the best time to take a home loan is only when one can comfortably afford it, irrespective of a pandemic situation or not. Firstly, the need has to exist, and then one has to clearly assess one's own affordability. Markets will always have its ups and downs. Hence, simply timing the market without assessing one's own financial capability is not going to be enough. Now, assuming that the need to have an owned house and income affordability is ascertained, then yes, it is an opportune time to buy a house with a home loan. Interest rates are comparatively much lower now, and aspiring home buyers should definitely assess all the loan options available in the market before finalizing on any one. A recent good news that also may encourage many home buyers in Maharashtra to make a faster decision is that the state government has reduced the stamp duty on property registration from 5% to 2% now. Yes, a 3% reduction from September 1st, 2020 to December 2020, and a 2% reduction from 1st Jan 2021 till March 2021. Let's hope that the other states also follow this practice soon. Now let's discuss some key points that one must be careful about while taking a home loan. First, borrow only what you can repay. Be careful about your EMI outflow and choose repayment tenor accordingly that suits your pocket. Shorter tenors are always better is not always true. Shorter tenors though may save you from higher interest costs, but they also have higher EMIs. Aggressive repayment tenors can also cause a borrower to default, and in case of a financial emergency, any default on the loan will negatively affect the borrower's credit profile. Second, do enough research. Housing loan interest rates are at their best ever. Hence, do take out the time and effort to research across banks and find yourself a good deal. Also read the fine print clearly. Lower interest rates may have some hidden terms, like the bank may sanction a lower LTV, that is loan to value, basically the approved loan amount percentage in value to the property. As a result, you may be asked to pay higher down payment. Hence, look at all the clauses in detail. Third, check legalities of documents thoroughly. Title deeds, chain of purchase sale deed agreements, and many more such key documents are vital. Seek professional advice if required. Fourth, if one can afford, then try and choose a ready-to-move-in property than an under-construction one, simply to eliminate any risk in delay in completion of project in such uncertain times. You don't want to be left in a lurch with the developer not being able to complete your dream home in time, as any financial emergency like the one caused due to this pandemic in a way affects all. Fourth, insurance. Yes, make sure to insure your loan by taking an insurance. It's very important. Don't see this as an expense. No one wants to leave behind a hefty loan for their family members to repay. Lastly, once the loan is taken, ensure timely repayment always. This will help you boost your credit profile and give you more access to future lendings at lower interest rates. A lot of people have also asked me the following questions. Let me take a quick minute to answer them as well. Will house price drop further, and should I wait for more correction? It's been over 4 months since the lockdown started. Factually, there has not been any significant upward or downward movement in terms of real estate pricing. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has urged developers to sell their inventories at reduced rates and to release the piled up stock so that the real estate developers themselves do not default on their loans. Veteran bankers, including HDFC Chairman Deepak Parekh and Kotak Mahindra Bank MD Mr. Uday Kotak, also clearly expressed that developers should sell off inventories by lowering property rates. The national capital and Chennai have seen some downward correction, hoping that the other cities like Mumbai, where real estate was always above the national average, should also see some pricing correction. Some analysts still do say that pricings may drop by at least another 10%. Second, what's the best institution from which one can take a home loan? Well, there are many institutions that are not only offering attractive rates but also have simplified processes. To name a few, LIC Housing Finance, SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Baroda have the lowest rates and can be evaluated. HDFC Bank and SBI would be my top choices as they have robust processes, larger branch network and attractive rates. Lastly, what are the tax benefits on a housing loan? Under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, one can claim deduction of up to Rs 1.5 lakhs for the principal amount repaid in the financial year, and under Section 24B, one can claim deduction for up to Rs 2 lakhs for the payment of interest on a home loan. In case of a joint home loan, each borrower can claim deduction of principal repayment and interest repayment if they are also the co-owners of the property. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Do give us your suggestions and feedback in the comment box below so that we can discuss these topics in our upcoming series. Also subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. See you soon.